her up here today. We just got on the gobble. It's about getting close to 8 o'clock, so we're going on this ridge where it gobbled and see if we can do anything with it. He's hot.
Huh?
He's hot. We'll see if he comes in. Hey, and if he don't come in, we'll just crawl up there, okay? We'll wait about 10 minutes, okay?
I just keep giving it to him if he's answering.
Alright, go silent. It might have to be kind of a far shot. Just hold that decoy up.
He's drumming.
Yep. I'll get my mouth call. Yeah, that sounds good. Just do nice and little. Oh, he's coming, boy. There he is. There it is, Eddie. See him? See him? Here he comes. Get ready, Braxton. Let me get close. Kill him. Wait. Kill him. Kill him.
No.
Yes! Braxton! Attaboy! Yes, Braxton! Attaboy! Good shot! Hold up. Can't watch that Reaper. Braxton, good shot, buddy. Braxton, what was you thinking right there? He come running through the decoy.
I know.
I didn't want to get too close. I said kill him.
I know where the decoy was.
Do you see him all the way up there? Did you start laughing?
When he first came out.
He didn't even come out of the field. He like come out of the woods.
I said, click your gun off safety.
He got a swinger on. What's the spurs? Good spurs. Good spurs.
What's wrong with this?
He got. Look at the beard on that. There's nothing funnier than that. Boy, if we kill one. Good job, Braxton. That was awesome. You see him walking down that trail to that decoy? Good for him we brought the decoy.
Yeah.
I think he did it right there. Boy, what a sweet hunt. Look at the beard on him. Braxton, you nailed him. He got pretty good spurs too.
Bad.
What were you thinking, Hayden? I thought, oh, it's gonna happen.
Did you hear him spitting and drumming?
I mean, right there close. I think I got it on video too, good. Walking right down that trail. Holy crap, boys.
Good thing we went.
Yeah, that's a good gobbler too. Big old beard on him.
Probably just 2-year-old.
Yeah, he's a 2. He's got decent spurs on him. Boys, that was sweet. We came up here, did one call. He was up on this ridge, and we thought he ain't gonna come down here. We're gonna go up to him. Sit right here on this little logging road or something. Did like what, 4 yelps or so. Come right in. Show him that. He was holding that decoy. Oh my gosh. There he is. That's the first bird I've killed with that thing. I've never hardly used it. There we go, boys. Pristine. Was he prime hunt? Was he nervous a little bit, Braxton?
Yeah.
He came running into that decoy. Have you ever seen one do that? That's what you want right there. So you couldn't see for a minute because he's behind the decoy?
I couldn't see him at all.
Just right at, wait, you didn't see him any?
I seen him
Right after
when
he
he
shot?
first got out there.
Oh, yeah.
Jackson couldn't see him at all.
I seen him good because I was like, I don't know, I guess I was at a different angle, you guys. I seen the whole freaking thing come. That is a perfect turkey. He's probably got 10.5-inch beard, inch-and-a-quarter spurs. That's a good one. How many turkeys have you killed now?
One.
That's your first turkey? Oh, that's Braxton's first turkey. I didn't know that, guys. Sweet. That's a good first turkey. Oh my gosh, guys. Perfect. You got a good fan on him. Look at that.
Yeah,
That happened fast, guys. Sorry I didn't get much video, so that's
Roger, seven.
so that's Braxton's first turkey right there. That's gonna be a good one to remember on video too.
Yeah.
Well, that's how you wanted to do. That was pretty quick. We wasn't hunting for 25 minutes, I bet. Gobbled right there on that ridge. Got up there with him. Showed me this. He came right in, strutting and everything to him yells, and then he finally seen that decoy. And that's when he came running in. Braxton shot him on the run, probably 20 yards.